Hi, in front of me is LG K50S, and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down, then click wallpaper and theme, tap theme in the middle, and I will go with top 3, so I have to tap on this option and select one of the themes that you like the best. I will go with this one, so I have to click on it, choose download and wait. Then click apply. And as you can see, theme of my device has changed. But if you want to go back into the system one, you can go into the same settings, choose wallpaper and theme, then click theme in the middle again and tap on this one or that one. I will go with this one, so I have to tap on it, click apply and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!